We're all used to having multiple tabs in our web browsers when we're playing around on the internet. But have you ever wondered what else it can do other than just clicking and switching between them? Let me show you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach, here sharing tips and tricks on our everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So the first thing, obviously, used to clicking and it moves you between the tabs. But have you tried clicking and dragging the tabs? So you can rearrange it to have it in a much easier order if you prefer. As well as that, you may find yourself that you've got notes or something on the screen and you think flicking between them is just a pain in the neck. So what else can we do? Well, we can actually click and drag the tab down and off that web browser. We can then, if you're using, for example, Microsoft Windows, actually put them side by side with the snap command. And now I can take notes and look at my website at the same time. Once I'm done with that, I can either just click on the X and close the notes down or the other window, or I can click and drag and pull the tab down and add it back into my original web browser window, just as if it hadn't been separated in the first place. If you found this tip useful, then please do like the video. And if you'd like to be notified as more actionable tips are released, then remember to subscribe and click that notification bell on the channel.